Get the clear. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Once your washing machine is delivered, Amazon will raise a request on your behalf. You will receive an SMS confirmation from Amazon regarding installation. Someone from the brand team will contact you for scheduling the installation visit within the next 24 to 36 hours. A brand authorized technician will visit on the mutually agreed date and time slot to install the product and explain the features. Refer to the installation page to know more on what is covered under free standard installation. The technician will charge a nominal cost for extra materials, if any. The following things need to be kept ready before the technician visits for installing the washing machine: a tap connection for water intake, an outlet connection to drain water, a 15 amps electric point. Ensure it has proper earthing to avoid electric shock. For fully automatic washing machines, an inlet pipe fitting, an outlet pipe fitting, and product demonstration are covered under free standard installation. Please note that the base stand or additional materials used during the installation are not covered under standard installation and will be charged extra. For semi-automatic models, installation is not provided by the brand, as it is a plug-and-play device. However, it is recommended to refer instructions of the service manual carefully before using the product. Product demonstration for semi-automatic models may be provided by the brand on request made through the brand toll-free number. For further information, please visit the installation and demo page. You will also find the Amazon toll-free number here, as well as the list of brand toll-free numbers.